You can adjust the thickness level based on your comfort level. The goal is going to be to have your neck lined up with your spine, so you can adjust the folds of the towel accordingly.
Starting from a face down position, we're now going to work on the lower trapezius muscle. You see, this is where the shoulder blade is. And the lower trapezius muscle actually goes down from the shoulder blade into the spine this way. You're going to bring a straight arm above the shoulder, elbow straight, and if possible, turn your thumb down. Those of you with shoulder problems and you're having a hard time with this, you can just keep the hand flat about 30 degrees from the midline. Relax the shoulder muscles here. Okay, so in this position, we're going to use the lower trapezius muscle here that connects the shoulder blade to the spine to elevate, to bring the arm backwards behind the body. Okay, 2, 3. Hold it here for 3 counts, inputting information into the brain. Relax it slowly over 3 counts. 2, 3. It is important during the lengthening part to have full control over your muscle as well. You're going to squeeze, shortening the muscle. 1, 2, 3. Hold it there for 3 counts, inputting information to the brain, and then release it slowly as it's lengthening. 2, 3. Make sure this muscle is relaxed and that the elbow is straight. That the only muscle doing the work is here, right here. With all our exercises, as you're squeezing, make sure you let the air out of your lungs. You don't need to actively blow it out, but just relax and let your mouth and let the air come out naturally. Okay, do it again. As you're squeezing, let the air out of your lungs. 1, 2, 3. This allows for maximum contraction while your brain is relaxed. Hold it there for 3 counts as you hold your breath, and then you can relax again. 1, 2, 3. For those of you who have shoulder problems and have a hard time raising your arm at this level, what we suggest is for you to do some modification. Lift your body up and put a pillow under your chest. And you can rest your head and neck on the edge of the pillow. Slide your arm up nice and slow. Notice with the elevated chest, your arm is now in front of your body. And if you still cannot do this, you just need to put another pillow. Again, this is a very comfortable position for your head and neck. And you're going to slowly raise your arm above your body with your shoulder basically in front of your body. Make sure your chest doesn't cheat, that you're not twisting your whole body to bring it up. That's only your lower trapezius muscle doing the work, and then release slowly. Okay, so your starting point is your arm in front of your body. This is the modification. Make sure these muscles are not cheating by elevating the shoulder, that you're only doing the exercise with the lower trapezius.